Okay, hit me with your secret. How are you bringing current market data into your frameworks without living in 20 browser tabs?
Jeda.ai V4. The new web search feature is a game changer. Watch this. It bakes real-time data right into the analysis. No more stale, static slides.
So it's not just a drafting tool. It's pulling live intelligence.
Exactly. Now, for brainstorming, the new mind map is how we actually think. Customize every single detail. Click AI Plus on any node to expand with full context. See the plus icons? Tab to add, or drag and drop nodes anywhere.
But I need my whole crew on it.
The new team plan solves that. Add any number of seats, mix subscription types, scale up or down on your terms.
What about the daily grind? Flowcharts, wireframes, all of it.
Everything's here. AI flowchart recipes, sticky notes that organize themselves, instant infographics, data intelligence, document visualization, all in one canvas.
So one workspace that actually keeps up. Real-time data, intelligent diagrams, and teamwork built in.
That's V4 for ya, where your thinking meets real-time intelligence. Try it.